Hello people, in this video we will look at anthracosis. Basically this is seen in coal mine workers. This is a notifiable disease, anthracosis, under the Indian Mines Act. Remember, this is a notifiable disease. Anthracosis is seen in whom? Coal workers. This is a type of pneumoconiasis, occupational lung disease. It is caused because of particles in the dust. Okay, the size range will be 0.5 to 3 micron. Okay, so this is important. So this is a health hazard. In whom will you see anthracosis? Coal workers, right? And look at their lung. This is how their lung will be, full of coal dust. So in this there are two things: simple pneumoconiosis and progressive massive fibrosis, PMF. So first of all, it will be simple and then it will be progressive. So once simple happens, it will go into progressive massive fibrosis even if there's no exposure. That's what the textbook says here. Okay, this was, so there are two phases. So first phase is simple pneumoconiosis, little ventilatory impairment. There will be only little ventilatory impairment in the simple pneumoconiosis. So about 12 years of work exposure for this to develop. 12 years. Okay, it's a very long term thing. Then secondary phase. What is the second phase? Progressive massive fibrosis. Guys, here pay attention here. Progressive massive fibrosis, PMF. PMF, progressive massive fibrosis, right? This will be causing severe respiratory disablement and it can result in premature death. Severe respiratory disability. What is affected here? The lungs. The lungs are affected. Massive fibrosis, progressive massive fibrosis. What did we see initially? Simple pneumoconiosis, a little ventilatory impairment will be there in that. Where are we? So first it was simple. Give a better color. Simple pneumoconiosis, little ventilatory impairment. First of all, 12 years exposure. After that, simple pneumoconiasis, and then it will become progressive massive fibrosis, and then it can go to death. Okay. Then this is a notifiable disease under the Indian Mines Act of 1952, and these people can be compensated under the Workmen's Compensation Amendment Act of 1959. So there are a lot of type of pneumoconiosis. We are looking at anthracosis in this, in coal workers. So basically, first of all, they need 12 years of exposure. Hold on. 12 years of exposure, guys. Then what will happen? Simple pneumoconiosis. Then they will go into progressive massive fibrosis. And then it will go to premature death. So there are two phases here. Okay, simple pneumoconiosis is the first phase. Progressive massive fibrosis is the second phase. Okay. So they can be compensated under Workmen's Compensation Act of 1959. Okay. So we are done with anthracosis. Anthracite Mines Act 1952. So all these you have to mention. Okay. Anthracosis. Anthrac actually means coal, it seems. Okay. So did you understand this pneumoconiosis? That is anthracosis. Okay. Bye bye.